Alright, I'm going to attempt how to record this on my screen to show you guys how to create a remix. So you go to any of your long form videos that you want to remix. This one here, I'll just use this video.
Help rebuild acid weakened enamel every time you brush.
Remix.
So what are you brushing with?
Short. You can scrub your main timeline here to get to a place where you want to remix. And then you'll get a 15-second window. You can also scrub that down to 6 seconds, whatever, however long you want it.
Me and here will get them.
You can move the timeline down here in the window also. Once you have what you want, you just click next. It will process. It'll show you what your finished product is. Hit next again. Here's where you can add your hashtags, your title, whatever in there. And then once you're done, you just hit upload short and you have created a short out of your long form content. Hopefully that makes it simple enough. Hopefully this works. I'll test it in a minute. As far as I've never used a screen recorder, and that's what I'm using now. So